how to make our own milk. These days dairy products became very toxic and unsafe, especially the packet milk and the stored milk and many dairy products in that way, yogurt. So all that is really unsafe. It's also cruel to animals. So it is also important to understand how to, again, many people have the concept of, okay, calcium comes from the milk. No, you will have much calcium at your home in ingredients. So how to make your own milk at home, especially when you are locked down without getting any virals through these packer foods, especially the milk. So you can stop buying those packets and get used to this healthy milk. It is much more nutritious and high calcium than normal milk, and very tasty milk. So you can make through any nuts available. So simply, very cost effective way is peanuts. So you take a handful of peanuts for a family. Every day you can make half a liter milk, very easy. So soak them overnight, 8 to 12 hours, and then I soaked this and then washed it thoroughly. So after you have to take out that water and wash it thoroughly, and again you must take out complete water. 2 times you can wash, and you need a strainer and a blender or a mixie, and keep them into this blender. So you can keep whatever you want. You can add this thing, and then add a little bit of water. Don't add too much water initially. Later on, once it is completely crushed, you can add a bit more water. Now add a little more water and blend it again. So generally it's 2 to 3 times of your grains. So it's only just 1 minute job, and very quickly you can make this blending. Not you need a strainer, you can have a cloth like that, and then strain it. So based on your consistency, what you need, you can add the water. So I'm adding all this, and then you can clean it up. Completely. So you can drink like this, or you can just warm it up. You can make almonds milk, you can make cashew milk, sesame milk, all that very high calcium and highly nutritious. Especially for kids, when you are give this kind of a wonderful, tasty milk. And you can make curd, yogurt very simply with a non-lacto seeds. Like you can make just heat it up, this milk. So now you got milk. So but you can still strain it with some more water. But you can get some more milk from this. See, when you are straining, 2 times you can strain it out. So this way, again you can add some more water, strain it out. Very easy. So you got the milk, see? So it's very thick, but you can still add some water in it. So you can take this. See how nice milk it is. So this is this much thick milk we have. See, and you can straight away drink this milk. So or you can heat it up and drink milk. Very tasty, sweet. You don't need to add any sugar also. You can drink the milk. And how to make the curd yogurt is very simple. Just warm it up. This milk, just boil a little bit, and then like how you do with the yogurt seed or the normal curd, milk curd. So for this you don't need any other seed. You have all the ingredients. You can have bendi, 10 pieces of bendi in it, or you can have green chili, or you can add 10 pieces of methi seeds. So that way with the natural fermentation it happens. So you can keep in a warm place for 12 hours, so it will become curd. So this is highly nutritious, and it also gives you B12. So use this technique and make your children and family healthy. This is vegan curd yogurt. It's made with peanut. So fresh peanuts soaked overnight, and then made the milk and boiled the milk, and then made it as a yogurt without any lactose seed, without any curd, just with the fresh chili pieces and methi seeds. So very simple to make and very tasty, and also highly nutritious than the normal milk. So make a safe milk at home, get a very good health, and it's very good for the probacteria, and your system can make B12 within, so that bacteria will help you a lot, and the calcium also very high than the normal milk. So it is very safe, and you can take the organic peanuts. So just handful of peanuts will serve the whole family. So just 5 minutes to make. So you don't need to get the toxic packaged milks and pasteurized milks and hormone injections they make, and a lot of cruelty on the cows. So you can avoid all that. Make this non-violent and healthy curd to make our children and family healthy. Thank you.